Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to cover your very first project where we're going to be putting our new skills to use. So before we start this project, I want to introduce you to tank drive. And this is the most basic drivetrain in FRC. And well, what is a drivetrain? Well, it's the thing that makes your robot move, alright? So it's got 4 wheels, usually sometimes teams use 6, but for this case we're going to assume it's got 4 wheels, alright? And it relies on 4 motors, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. And so the typical control scheme for a tank drive, or the most basic rather, is each side is controlled independently. So if you look at your controller and its left joystick, its Y-axis, so the up and down movement, controls the forward-backward movement of the left side. And for the right joystick's Y-axis, that'll control the forward-backward movement of the right side. And so joystick axis on your controller actually reports a percent output. And that's the percent output that you're going to supply to the motor. All right, so that's the main idea with the tank drive here. So what are your requirements? Well, you're going to code a 4-motor tank drive. So which of the motors, so some things to keep in mind, right, when I say this? Well, which of the motors should be followers and which of the motors should be inverted? And remember, you're going to use the percent output from the Y-axis of your left and right joysticks on your controller. All right? And then the next thing you're going to code is a shooter motor that runs when a button is held down. All right, so you're going to pick a percent output that you think is best, and obviously this is something that would be tuned in the real world. But for now, just pick one that you think is best. All right, and as a challenge, right, you're going to code an elevator motor that when toggled goes up for a max of 5 seconds, and then when toggled again goes down for a maximum of 5 seconds. All right, so that's your challenge. All right. Good luck with the project. Remember, simplify the problem down, right? Look back at old videos if you need to. Think about what we covered, all right? And then work your way up. As always, there will be a solution on GitHub, but I highly recommend that you look at this and tackle it independently so that you really understand what's happening, all right? Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.